Here is the Ultimaxx hard-shell aluminum case for DJI Phantom 4 drones. And the model number, I bought this actually for a Traxxas Aton, so we will see how well it fits. First thing I notice is this foam is pretty durable. I was wondering if it was going to be a cheap type of foam or what, but it's pretty thick. You can actually, if you look closely, you can see the different layers of it in that top piece, all the way down how it was formed. It looks like you have pockets here for the batteries, your controllers, the actual drone itself, and the spacer in here, not sure what it's for. Maybe it goes on the top to protect the top of the drone. It's most likely what it is. And then you basically have more pockets here. This one, same size, same depth. And there's a big pocket here. There is your thank you for purchasing note, and it even comes with keys for it, so that's pretty cool. And then you can see the top is padded too, which is nice. And if I turn this around, let's see, more of the same size pockets. There's a section right here. Not sure what normally comes for the DJI, but that may be the size of the controller there. Then you have this. I'm thinking I could put a charger in that slot, but there's plenty of space. If you can see in there, it's pretty deep. So this is what the Aton looks like without any cutting on here whatsoever. You can see the legs line up, pretty close positions. It looks like, I don't know, they will fit in there. Most likely the cuts that have to take place are going to be in the front and here in the back, and then I might have to nick this corner right here to make that fit, but it's pretty close. I'll put the landing gear on it to see how it sits in there later on.